Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. A quick update today. I have, I think I know the direction I'm going to go with the paint for the 50 Chevy Pro Street. Before we get all into that, I got a shop card today and I want to do a quick shout out. I think you all know Cliff over there at GI Mechanics Scale Modeling. Um, Fantastic builder. He's got a live show, I believe he does on Mondays, and just great all around guy. A fellow veteran, although we served in different branches of the service, but a fellow veteran nonetheless. And anyway, if I have any subscribers who are not subscribed to Cliff, please do yourself a favor and get over there and subscribe to him. And he's got some really cool stuff he does over there on his channel. And thank you, Cliff, for the very kind words on the back. And this will be going up on my wall of fame here. Real quick, I did make it to my local hobby store because I was telling you guys in the last video I'm leaning towards doing a Street Outlaw type exhaust on the 50 Chevy, and I want to use aluminum tubing, which I bought another one of these. I have several of these KS precision metals, these aluminum tubing. This one's a little bit closer to 3mm, which from what I understand is roughly 1/24th, 1/25th scale. For a 3-inch exhaust system. So I'm going to play with that, but I also got from the local hobby store one of these easy benders. Not cheap. I hope it works as easily as it shows that it will. But yeah, I'll let you guys know how that works out. I did get, well, before I move on to that, I'm going to show you guys. So what I did, and I know a lot of people, it's very common practice to use spoons to test out different base colors and different primers, different color primers, and how your paint job is going to look. And a long time ago, I was watching Don Yost, and he had mentioned that he wasn't a big fan of that because the plastic they use for the spoons isn't the exact same type of plastic that your model kit is made out of. And for those of you that do the spoons and it works great I'm not telling you not to do it. I'm not telling you that it's a horrible idea. You keep doing your thing and it works for you. I'm not trying to convince anybody to change it. For me, I had a couple of old bodies laying around, and so I just, after I try something out, I put them in the brake fluid and I strip the body down so it's ready to go for the next time I need to test. But let me see, I think it's going to look better if I do it this way. But that's the color. It's going to be a black primer, and it is this Tamiya TS60 pearl green, which it says it's green. I'm not a huge green guy, but I like it. It looks like one of those older paint colors you would find on a 60s or a 50s vehicle. It's showing up more blue, it looks like, in the camera. It does have a light green hue to it. But yeah, I really like this color, so that's going to be what I'm going to do on the 50 Chevy. I think, oh, and along with that, I got some more painting done. I got front end parts, radiator, which that's going to be interesting. I might have to come up with something for radiator hoses because I don't think I've got anything that's going to even go towards this engine. But yeah, it's coming along, and I've been getting quite a bit of bench time. Oh, real quick, I did get today my new wheels and tires. Want to thank Bob over there at the garage with Zippy for turning me on to his eBay dude that does 3D printing. These tires actually are wrinkled, which is really cool. I got that set. I got this set. And I got one more set. This would be kind of more of a pro touring type of wheel. I wasn't really planning on using this on the 50 Chevy. It's going to be one of more of these drag tires. But yeah, they look really nice. Price was reasonable, and they got it to me pretty quick. I think I ordered it on Monday, and it's Friday, and I have them. So be able to do some mocking up and kind of just see how I'm going to run my exhaust, and we'll go from there. But I should be getting some more bench time over this weekend, and when I've got something to show you guys, I'll make another video. We'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.